So let's go. PHP, if first of all save the file, new complaint .php. If $sign server request method equal to post. I write the condition, but I comment something, so keep watching with full concentration. $name, $post name, email, password, contact, address, device, IP, employee, time, date time, feedback, Here are the post methods that we sent from Android, but now we comment them because we discuss it further. Now move to further. We have a method of request. Let me check. Yes, we have a method of connect. This is a method for all PHP files where same things. So we call it once. I call it require once. Connect.php. Okay. Now move further. We discussed that this will be comment because we are not using right now the method post. So this will be comment. Okay, and this will also be comment. This will be comment and message the start of statement is require once. Okay, now move further. $SQL. We write SQL query where is insert into new complaint, where new complaint customer ID, customer name, username, password, contact, address, device, IP info, employee, time, date time, feedback. Okay, this is our column name. Now values equal to let's suppose name employee and username employee @yahoo.com and password emp, let's suppose contact, let's suppose any value, address, let's suppose null, device, let's suppose Android, IP info, let's suppose everything, and employee, let's suppose admin, time, let's suppose 6 hours, and date time, let's suppose 11/09/2020, and feedback, let's suppose slow. Okay, this is our SQL query. Now check if my SQLi query argument first $con and argument $2 SQL. Okay, dollar result equal to in result we take success equal to 1. When our value is result, then show me success 1, and other result message equal to success. You're done. We write it inserted. Okay, and here we use echo JSON encode $result. Okay, and MySQLi close $con. Okay, bracket close, else bracket start, to copy it and paste here, here error, and here 0, here message not inserted. Okay, bracket close, else bracket close. Now here front bracket, but we comment it, and at last we write PHP command close. Now save the file, Ctrl S, and let me check on browser. My XAMPP is connected. You can check it. Apache and MySQL is active, so we can check our PHP command. Localhost new complaint.php, success 1, message inserted. Let me check insertion completed or not. This is my previous data. Refresh the page, and this is our new data, employee @yahoo.com, emp and other, and address is equal to null. Here our address is equal to null. Okay, our query is running correctly. In next tutorial I will discuss about how to add data from Android device using PHP query. I use this query in Android as an address, but I send a value from edit text or spinner or radio buttons. So follow my series of CMS and keep supporting. Thank you so much.